Hello everyone. Now this video is for 12th ISC learners, the ones who are appearing in 2021 board exams. I have jotted down the important topics from the chapters of your course for your board exams, which we are going to give now in recently in May. So please listen, and please, I would suggest please write it down somewhere so that it's helpful for you. In this video, I'll be covering 4 chapters: sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction, reproductive health, and we'll be covering genetics and evolution. Fine. So 4 chapters will be covered today. I'll be giving you topics, important topics, which you should not miss at any cost from these 4 chapters. Fine. The video is very small. You just have to note down the topics. So please watch the video till the end and help me out with the subscribers, please, so that the subscribers increase. You can tell your friends, you can tell your juniors who are in grade 11th, and you can tell your junior most grade 10th also, which are going, the ones who are going to come in grade 11th. So that would be helpful for me. So we start now. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants, the chapter. Now herein, what I have observed is that in every paper, every board paper, there is a question from this chapter, and that question is draw the diagram of dash. So it comes in an option, lekin wo option mein bhi you have a diagram for drawing, that too from this chapter only. So the diagrams of this chapter are very important. That means the structure of anther, the structure of ovules, the different types of ovules, anatropis, blah 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 and all. So different types of ovules, ovary ka structure, ovulation ka structure, menstrual cycle ke phases ka structure, structure of sperm. So all these diagrams which you have here, not only reproduction in flowering plants plus reproduction in humans as well. That means the whole unit, reproduction wala, whole unit, from that unit you are for sure going to get one diagram. You will get in it under an option. That means it will be an or question. You will have one diagram to draw, or you draw another diagram, but you have to draw. This is a full-fledged 3-marker question in your paper for sure. 1. Next is reproductive fitness. Reproductive fitness, as in when we talk about the reproductive health of individuals, how or why do you consider a person to be reproductive, healthy in a reproductive, healthy reproductive, state. That means production of children and all, where we talk about contraceptives also. So in alternate papers you have this question where they talk about, because these are general topics. If you talk about contraception, if you talk about reproductive health, these are some awareness, general awareness questions which are there in the paper for sure. Ek 2-marker, 3-marker is for sure there from this chapter. So in these chapters, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction, and reproductive health. Fine, I'm collectively talking about all. Then features of the flowers which are pollinated by insects. Isme bhi chota 1-marker, 2-marker is there alternatively, but I would suggest that you do both the type of features for insects as well, for cross pollination. Plus if you have we do anemophily, elephantphily, so we have multiple types of pollinations. So un sab pe aapko, you must know the features of the plants which undergo different type of pollination. Then one very important topic, please write it down. Physiochemical effect during fertilization. This question, this way or that way, matlab aisa seedha ya twist kiya hua, is there in almost every alternate paper, jahan pe they ask you about the changes which occur during fertilization in humans, the physiochemical changes, where you have to talk about the hormonal changes as well. So that's a very important topic from your chapter reproduction, जहाँ से question आना ही है आपको. उसके बाद methods of contraception. I already told you this is general awareness topic. इसमें से आता ही है question. If you watch my videos also, उसमें grade 12th में मैंने contraception पे video बनाया है. The whole I think 8 to 10 videos are there. I have talked about all the contraceptive devices and everything which you need to know. So that would be very, very helpful for you. The ones who are new on the channel, you can go to my other channel, Biome Biology, where I have covered 2 units of grade 12, that is reproduction. The whole unit is covered there. Flowering plants, reproductive health, and genetics is covered there on the channel. The description link is given for all the playlists in the description box. Please click on it and watch the videos there. Very, very helpful. Now, I have already told you the diagram: anther, ovule, sperm, different types of ovules, ovary. These are very important diagrams. Now, menstrual cycle and its hormonal control. Fine. One is the physiochemical control during fertilization. Other is when fertilization is not there, during menstrual. That's also very important. In which phase, which hormone is produced, what is responsible for what and all. So it's a very, very important question. Still you have problems, please watch the video in the playlist which is given in the description box. Grade 12 ka videos are there in the playlist. Please watch, very, very helpful for you. मैंने बहुत अच्छे से explain किया हुआ है सब कुछ. Reproductive health. After this, the last chapter of the unit. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ध्यान से सुनो बेटा. जितने भी रिप्रोडक्टिव टेक्निक्स हैं आपको 3 to 2 मार्क्स में आना ही है. ईदर फुल फॉर्म या फिर दे आस्क यू व्हाट इज डन इन दिस टेक्निक. जैसे IVF है, गिफ्ट है, IUDs है, ZIFTs है, ICSIs है, मतलब मल्टीपल. यू हैव दैट लिस्ट. फाइन, एंड इट्स गिवन इन अ सीक्वेंस इन योर बुक. प्लीज लर्न देम. उसको कहीं अलग से लिख लो, उसके फुल फॉर्म आपको आने चाहिए, क्योंकि इट कम्स इन एब्रीविएशंस आल्सो. प्लस इट कम्स एज यू हैव टू राइट अबाउट देम. 1 marker, maybe 2 marker, maybe 3 marker. If 3 तो एक आएगा, मतलब 3 आएंगे. So you will get it this question like this. It's a very, very important topic. Please don't miss it. ये आना ही है. उसके बाद again STDs. We have talked about contraception. Contraception 5 mark में आता है बेटा. और STDs भी 5 मार्क में आता है. सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिसऑर्डर्स. फाइन, आई हैव मेड प्रॉपर वीडियोस ऑन द होल यूनिट. रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. इस पूरे रिप्रोडक्शन को अगर आपको थॉरली रिवाइज करना है, वॉच ऑल द वीडियोस. आई नो आपको देख के लगेगा ओ माय गुडनेस बहुत सारी वीडियोस है, बट इट्स वेरी गुड, वेरी लेबोरेटिव. आपको इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे अगर इस यूनिट में से स्कोर देखो, अभी मैंने आपको कितने टॉपिक्स बताए जो 5 मार्कर्स एंड 3 मार्कर्स हैं. फॉर श्योर यू विल गेट देम इन योर पेपर. Fine. So please revise them with the videos, make your notes, and then get done with it. So in our next video, we'll talk about our next unit, that is genetics. We'll talk about genetics and evolution. We'll talk about molecular basis of inheritance. So thank you. Keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing.